Sri Radhe guys, my name is Arun Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's screen video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the today's routine, that is 9th June 2024 of day 186. Okay, so in the day of 180, we have completed already the 6 months, and yeah, this is the day 186. Okay, so basically let me tell you what actually happened today. So basically last night I went for this sleep at a very late night. I don't know why, what's my mind is actually happened. And yeah, it's like what kind of thing, like I'm facing some a superstition about my future, like it's totally rubbish, I thought, every time. Okay, so but I need to change. So nowadays I started meditation, doing the meditation, and really I'll really improve myself. Okay, so yeah, so basically I woke up today at around 9 or 10 a.m between. Okay, so basically what I had done, so basically I woke up and uh, you know basically I woke up and my wait guys. So yeah, basically my mother told me to go to the barber shop and cut your hairs as well as your beard. Okay, so basically you're noticing me that like that I have already done. So basically the thing is that I went to the barber shop, but first basically my mother gave me money, 100 rupees. So after that I went to the barber shop, but I saw that there is already crowded. So after that I reached back, and after that I went to the shop to purchase the paneer, but the paneer is not available on that shop. The shopkeeper told me that the paneer will come after the 5 to 10 minutes. After that I came to the home, but I didn't purchase. I thought that I will purchase it okay, when the paneer will come. So after that I came home. Wait guys. So after that I again went to the barber shop and I wait, and basically yeah, I wait. After that he came and he cuts my hair, and he also shaved my beard. So first time, basically I've already 3 times I shaved my like this whatever you call my beard, but nobody put a stone which is in white color, which they done after the saving. But today they had done. Basically there is no any kind of sense or feelings I never guessed. So basically this is a thing which was happened on the day. And after that after that I came home, and I washed my mouth. Basically I already washed my mouth before going to the barber. So after that I had taken the bath, and after that my sister brought for me paneer for 100 rupees. Okay, so after that I put the paneer to the where to the freezer. So basically after that after taking the bath, I worshipped at a very proper manner. After that I wore the clothes which is required. After that I cooked paneer sabji and rice. So basically this is the thing which was happened. And after that I ate food, and after that I didn't eat too much thing. I used my phone, and after that I laid down to the bed. After that my mother came, and after that I ate food with my mother also. So yeah, after that I didn't eat too much thing. I went to the first basically I didn't eat too much thing. My sister WhatsApp, she sent me a message on in WhatsApp that wait guys. My sister messaged me in WhatsApp. So yeah, that please send me the box number, so that the cable connection is also in my home, so that she can recharge. So after that I done all the steps that she told me. And after that I went to the first floor, and after that I went to the ground floor. I didn't done too much thing, guys. My mind was like I don't know what is happening nowadays. And I'm really very bad. I can tell you, I want to be the good person. Okay, okay, so yeah, I'm doing continuously. So basically after that I didn't done too much thing. I went to the first floor, to the ground floor, first floor, ground floor. After that my sister came, and she told me to go to the fruits market. So after that I went with her. Okay, so after that we have purchased fruits like bananas, watermelon, as well as mango, and pomegranate. After that we came home. Okay, so after that I ate food, and I while watching the TV. After that I spent some time with my family. After that I came first floor, and after that I'm shooting the video. After shooting the video I will went to the ground floor, and I will study. And after that I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happening today. I hope you will understand this video. If you really understand this video, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos. If you really trying to help me, that I really appreciate you that you're trying to help me. So let's start today's five vocabulary. Okay, so and you already know that I usually learn daily five vocabularies. Okay, so basically where I was on that day, let me check guys. So yeah, so the next word is beside. And you know what is the meaning of beside? Beside means like, pass me. Yeah, it's also we can say that bagal me. He sat beside me, but he still doesn't know me. He's still trying to pretend like that he didn't know me. He was beside me, but he was like that he didn't notice me. How can he do like that? It determines his two face. The one face is of kindness, the another face is of bad thinking about me. The another face is that he don't like me. Yeah, this is the beside. The next vocabulary is against. Against means guys के खिलाफ. The one party is against to the another. Guys, so the next vocabulary is against. Yeah, as I already gave you the one example, the one party is against to the another party. And let's take another example like that. Why are you against with him? If there are any problem, then tell me. Maybe I can solve it. This is all about against. So the next word is curtains, parde. As you can see in the back side of mine. So yeah, or behind me there is curtains. That means parde. From the first day of routine video में yeah, some days skip, but part of this every day's routine video, except some days you saw that curtain, right? So basically, let's take an example. The curtain is behind me, and you saw every day except some days, right? And let's purchase curtain, because our homes so, our homes windows needs curtains. Okay, so yeah, this is the example. Next is sure. Sure means pakka, right? Pakka, sure, pakka. Yeah, sure, why not? Tonight. Tonight means tonight I'm gonna do wait guys, to yeah, this is the last word. Tonight I will study. Tonight means aaj raat. Tonight I will go not where. So yeah, basically guys, this is the thing which was happened. Wait guys. So yeah guys, this is the basically these all the kinds of things that I had learned today. So let's revise from the top to the bottom all the vocabulary. Okay. स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, आत्मा, सोल, उत्सुक, ईगर, भक्त, डिवोटी, सांस, ब्रीथ, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, समझाना, एक्सप्लेन, लिफाफा, एनवलप, धीरज, पेशेंस, फुसफुसाना, विस्पर, निश्चित रूप से, अपरेंटली, जरूरी, एसेंशियल, सचमुच, लिटरली, पीछे, बिहाइंड, बनाना, क्रिएट, खटखटाना, नॉक, पास, पास, बिसाइड, और वी कैन से नियर, अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, परेशानी, ट्रबल, बहकाना, मिसगाइड, बहादुर, ब्रेव, कुपारा, बैचलर, इश्कबाजी करना, फ्लर्ट, लगाव, लगाव मीन्स अफेक्शन, बदनाम करना, डिफेम, डांटना, स्कोल्ड, बेवकूफ़, नासमझ, सिली. नीचा दिखाना, ह्यूमिलिएट पहुंचाना, अराइव विरोध करना, प्रोटेस्ट निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन न्याय, जस्टिस विचार, थॉट रोना, वीप भौंकना, बार खिलाना, फीड पकड़ना, कैच बगल में, बिसाइड या के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट पर्दे, कर्टेन्स पक्का, श्योर आज रात, टुनाइट. So basically guys, yeah, this is the vocabulary that I had done. So let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.